How to fix your connection to this site is not secure. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome. Go to any page that is saying that. Now click on the site settings at the top and see if connection is secure. It will show connection is secure. And if it's not secure, it will give you a triangle shape like icon, which means not secure or dangerous. And you may also find I like icon, which is info or not secure. Another thing which you can do is click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen in Chrome. After you click on there, scroll down and click on settings. After you click on settings, it will lead you to this page. Here, on the left side, click on privacy and security. After you click on privacy and security, scroll down and click on security. After you click on security in here, scroll down and you'll find always use secure connection, turn that on. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Chrome. Your connection to this site is not secure. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.